when I saw this question, I was like, what the hell? Like, why would someone ask me that? Are you serious? Oh God. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Jessina Ola. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below. Subscribe, join the family, join the gang. We are lit, so don't forget to also like and share if you like the video. Okay, if you don't like it, please willingly tell me on the comment section. I will definitely change whatever you don't like about the video and make it second one. Okay, so if you're already part of the family, thank you very much for always being there. Okay, I love you guys so much. So today's video is a get to know me video, question and answer. Okay, so I asked questions to my Instagram friends and they replied questions that they want to know about me, so I'll be answering those questions in this video. So okay, so I'll be answering from the laptop. I'll be looking at the questions from the laptop and answer you guys. So hold on. Okay, here we are. So the first question here is, what is your name? Okay, my name is Victoria Jessina Ola Mba. Then the second question is, firstly, you look good. That's from, I think this is from Charity, my very good friend. Firstly, you look good. Oh, thanks Charity, thank you so much. You look good too. You're very beautiful. So want to know how old you are and when you started your channel. Okay, I was born 7th of August. Yes, next month is my birthday. 7th of August 1996, meaning I'll be 24 by next month. Okay. Yes, so the next question here is, where are you from? Okay, I'm from Akano in Ohafe local government area, Abia State, Nigeria. And I was born in Aba, Abia State, Nigeria, and I grew up in Aba, Abia State, Nigeria, though I school in Owerri, Imo State. So next question here is, what are your favorite things about yourself? Wow, are you serious? The first one is, I love the fact that I'm very creative. Like, I'm so creative, trust me. One, and I never give up. I'm a very strong person. And secondly, I know how to twerk, and that makes me very happy. Okay. Period. So the next question is, what is your biggest fear? Okay, my biggest fear, one is not accomplishing my aim before I die. Like, I'm so scared of that. I just want to be successful, achieve my aim, if I rest in peace. So the next one is, I am very scared of not making heaven. I cannot suffer finishing on this earth, and I will continue to suffer in hell. God forbid. Trust me, I don't want that for myself. So my second biggest fear is not making heaven. Okay. So the next question here is, what is your eye color? My eye color is brown. I know you guys can see it's sharp, but I know my eye color is brown. Okay. So the next question is, what is your favorite musician? Who is your favorite musician? Sorry. I have 3 favorite musicians, and one is Roddy Rich. He's my top favorite musician. Like, I'm so crazy about Roddy Rich, like very crazy about Roddy Rich. One, and the second person is J. Cole and Kendrick Lamar. Then the next question is, what is your favorite color? I don't have a favorite color. Anything that goes fine. Like, it comes to my mood. If I feel like wearing white today, I wear white. If I feel like wearing red tomorrow, I wear red. I feel like it's boring having a favorite color. To me, that's my own point. That's my own view of having a favorite color. So I don't have a favorite color. I go with anything that suits my mood. So the next question here is, what's your favorite food? My favorite food is boiled yam and sauce, then swallow. I like vegetable soup. Yes, with periwinkle inside. Yes. But I'm out to try any type of food, like any kind of food. I'm out. I'm a very adventurous person, so I'm very out to try any kind of food. So the next question here is, what's your favorite way to pass time? Okay, I love listening to music and surfing the internet, trying to make myself better. So I love music a lot. Like, this is something I love doing. I love listening to music. Like, I don't know, I'm not really a movie person, but I watch movies. Don't misunderstand me. I watch movies, but I just love music. Like, it uplifts my spirit. It gives me more strength, like, to make myself better. So, and I love trap music too. Yeah. So the next one is, are you scared of heights? I'm very, very scared of heights. Like, so crazy about heights. Like, I don't like heights. Like, oh my god, I can't even climb a 2-story building and look down peacefully without getting scared. God, I'm so scared of heights. Like, very, very scared of heights. Trust me. So the next question is, are you a dog person or cat? I love dogs, but I prefer cats. Dogs, they eat more than human beings. Like, they eat a lot. And secondly, I think they smell. I need to take care of them very well. But I love cats. So the next question is, do you have any birthmarks? Yes. And where? I do have birthmarks. Like, a lot. In the weirdest places, trust me. Like, firstly, this is my birthmark. I know you guys will be like, who blew this girl? Which boy did this to this fine girl? My dear, nobody did nothing to me. Okay, so this is just me. This is my birthmark. So this is my birthmark. Yes, it's my birthmark. Then I have another birthmark under my butt, my bum bum, under, like, my thighs, at the back of my thighs, close to my bum bum. I have a birthmark, something like this too. So, excuse me. The next question is, what is your favorite movie, or TV series? Firstly, my favorite movie is The Gentleman. I just saw the movie and trust me, it's very, very interesting. Very, very, very interesting. Go watch it. I'll leave it somewhere so you guys can see what the movie looked like, in case you want to download it. The Gentleman is very interesting. Then my favorite series of all time, like, I don't get out of that movie. I've watched it like 3 times, from season 1 to the complete season, from season 1 to 7. I've seen it like 3 times, and that is Game of Thrones. If you've not seen that movie, trust me, you're missing a lot, because Game of Thrones is very, very interesting. Like, so interesting. Go watch Game of Thrones and thank me later if you haven't watched it already. But if you have, you're supposed to know what I'm talking about when I say Game of Thrones is my movie. The movie is just so unique. Okay, just go watch the movie. It's very, very unique. Like, so unique. So the next question here is, are you single? I don't even know. Seriously, I don't know. Am I single? Don't worry, you guys will get to know if I'm single or not. I really don't know what to answer right now, okay? But you guys will get to know if I'm single or not. So the next question is, are you gay? Are you serious? When I saw this question, I was like, what the hell? Like, why would someone ask me that? Are you serious? Oh god. Someone will ask me that on Instagram. Someone just asked, are you gay? Do I act gay, nigga? Oh my god. Do I do things that make you feel like I'm gay? I'm not. Trust me, I cannot be, okay? I'm straight, like, so straight. So the last question is, who knows you better? I know myself better. Nobody knows me better. I know myself. Like, just me and me alone and God. But aside that, I know myself. Like, so guys, I'm so happy you guys watched this video to this extent. It's not much, like it's just a short video. I've wanted to do this video for a very long time, like, but I've not really had the chance to, but I'm happy I'm doing it now. Okay, so I really don't know what to say anymore, but if you still haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Because there's a lot coming up. Trust me, I have a lot this year. Always film triggers, but I love you guys. I love my 46 subscribers so much. Like, I really didn't expect me to grow to this extent. I'm just almost 2 months old and I have 40 subscribers. Are you serious? But trust me, I won't disappoint you guys. I will not. I'll keep it going, okay? I'll just keep it going. So that is all you need to know about me, okay? I love you guys a lot. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, comment down below anything you want me to be doing. Trust me, anything you want me to be doing, okay? And tell me what you don't like about this video and what you want me to change, because I'll be doing a second version of this video. So, and I'll be correcting some stuff. If you don't like anything I did in this video, please tell me, okay? I'll correct it, trust me. I love you guys. Bye. Hey.